Hey, how's it going, everybody? So I just want to do a quick video because my B-pillar trim right here was all scratched up, and I don't know if the previous owner was Wolverine or what, but it was all scratched up. So um, I'm replacing this. I can't find a video online about how to do this, so I figured I'd hop on here and film a quick video. So you see, I removed the original one here. If you look, here's the original, so you can see just all scratched up. Then there's the new one, perfect condition. So when I removed this, there are some different tabs here on the back. There's looks like a total of 4 different clips that are held in here, and this top piece right here that juts out across the top right here, this goes underneath, hold on, underneath here, so it slides in there. So essentially it slides in there, you go up under here. This piece uses 3M tape, so you'll see on the new one there's actually 3M tape right there. But essentially that's going to slide up under, pop under, clip into place, and then you remove the 3M tape to get everything seated. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'll get back with you. Alright, so the replacement is now in. One of the things that, as you do this, there's a tab right here on the backside that clips in. This piece, you're going to have to push this farther up and into there than you probably realize in order for this to clear here. Be careful, this one right here wanted to bend as I was pushing it up, so you can look back in there as you're doing this and make sure you can reach back in there. You can just straighten it out so it aligns into that hole. Once you get that one in, everything's fine. I would recommend this rubber right here. I would recommend tucking this under. It's going to want to like flip out. I would recommend tucking that under as you're pushing this in, and then at the very end, just let this sit in place and peel back that 3M tape to seat this here. Overall, very easy. I would recommend using one of these when you're first starting. There's a tab. There's like one here, one here, one here, and one here. I would just pop that first tab right there first to get that one out. Overall, super easy. Let me see if I can find the part number for you. Yeah. So here's the GM part number for the left side if you need that. Overall, super easy. Looks a lot better. This one was, it's kind of hard to see, but just super scratched up. Yeah, you can kind of see it like in the white lights there, just all scratched up. But okay, cool. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. But I just wanted to hop on real quick and you know, show you that quick little thing. Overall, pretty easy and well worth the money in my opinion. You get a cleaned up version. You know, we had to do a cold start as well. So all right, this car's been sitting for probably about a week or so. Let's do a cold start on it real quick.